we'll be going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We have dipped into negative MACD territory. We have broken below the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our temporary resistance at the price of $1,733. As we extend out to the 4-hour chart, we have dipped into negative MACD territory. As we extend out further to the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD. We're still resting right along the 18-day moving average, this purple line. And as for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD. And my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. And my long entry is at $155.36. My sell target is at $163.57. My stop loss is at $153.78. And as for my short position, if I were to open a short entry, that is at $168.50, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $157, and my stop loss is at $170.21. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 25% chance to climb between 0 to 4%, and to the downside it has a 65% chance to fall between 0 to negative 4%, and a 10% chance to fall between negative 4 to negative 8%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.